Mabuhay, ma'am, sir. Welcome to Philha.
Mabuhay.
Yes, sir. How may I assist you?
You have reservation for today, ma'am.
Under what name, ma'am?
Justin Okoy.
Okay, sir. One moment. Let me check that for you. Okay, sir. Can I borrow your ID, sir?
Sure. Pwede na driver's license?
Pwede na, sir. One moment, sir. Nakakos ang license. Okay, sir. Can you please fill out this one, including the name of your companion, then the cell phone number, and then the city. And here's your ID. And pwede po kung magkulang ng 1,000, sir, for incidental deposit. Ma-refund lang siya upon check-out.
Para sa ng incidental deposit, ma'am.
If namin mga charge, pwede lang anakuan. Through cash lang din ang kuan na incidental deposit. Then, how you are going to pay your bill, ma'am, for the room accommodation? Is it through card or cash?
Card. Card. Pwede mga yun kung may sa invoice kayo sa company.
Their company lang, sir. Sir, pakisulat lang po sa name sa company,
Company.
sir. Yes.
Wala na ang number.
Okay, number.
Or kay number.
Karon lang yun yung ano mo, or sir?
After check out na lang.
Okay, sir. And then, sir, there's your key card, your room at the second floor, the Wi-Fi password, house rules, no smoking inside the room, and then breakfast for tomorrow, 6 to 10 a.m. there at Cafe Malaysia. And if you have any concern or request,
Ang ikuan na, kailangan pwede may makarequest o ang extra bed
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Kaya tulong bumi ka mo.
Sir. Ang extra bed na to, sir, is 772.50 per head, and gano'n na siya yung breakfast.
Okay, siya kami minutes mag-sit up.
Mga 7 minutes lang, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, for a moment lang, sir, happy sa break ang PA para sa extra bed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Housekeeping break, wala po eh. Set up ang extra bed sa room 214. For a moment, nandun, sir, hakan na isitapan pa yung break, kung muna may ito na, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Pwede sa lang kadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Break, housekeeping sa status at 1-4. Natapang. Sige. Okay na yung hang extra bed, sir. Pwede na pumunta ka sa inyong room. Nana siya yung breakfast for tomorrow, sir.
Can I ask the breakfast? Buffet ba na or plated?